Model, 64-plate Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI long wheelbase. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 185,653. MOT, 3 October 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, the engine is seized so will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,225 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.